everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Claudia. Today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I am going to be doing an unboxing but of a men's belt. You know, this is a belt that I actually really liked for my husband. We were at the Louis Vuitton store and I saw the belt and I thought it was super nice, and he of course wasn't really sure because he really doesn't like to spend a lot of money on designer, so I kind of convinced him to get it. Maybe because I wanted to buy a bag as well. So that was one easy way for me to get something, is to buy him something as well. But anyway, I did get this, I did order this belt for him. It's super cute. It is the Louis Vuitton, I'll just name it off. It's called the Circle 40 millimeter reversible belt. It's in the, so 40 millimeter is a 1.6 inches. So super cute. I'm just gonna jump right in. I'm gonna open this and just show you the belt so that you can see what it looks like, if this is a belt that you would like for yourself, or if you're looking to buy this belt for someone, at least you'll be able to get some perspective. What I'm also going to do is I'm going to have my husband come in and also just model the belt so that you can see what it looks like on. I would model it for you, but it won't fit me, so I'm gonna go ahead and let him do that piece. So I'll go ahead and just start opening. I did open the security. That's the only thing that I did. So I'm going to go ahead and open that. So as most of you know, if you order directly from Louis Vuitton, you do get the nice Louis Vuitton box, which you can send back if you need to, right? So since it's a belt, comes in this cute small little, I'll get this box out of the way. Comes in this cute little small box. So I'm going to go ahead and just open that. Here's the receipt as well. Oop, just dropped my tag. So as usual, it does come with the actual tag. So it's nice to keep those things, especially if you ever plan on, you know, doing something with it. But usually comes in this nice little bag. Ooh. So it has the tag here attached, and it tells you what the actual name of the actual belt. So again, it's the Louis Vuitton Circle 40 millimeter reversible belt. And actually what's really interesting is if you go to the website, you may be able to find it. I looked for this today and I couldn't find it, but I actually, on the website, it doesn't show this actual gunmetal. You can see how dark this actually is. The one that I saw online is a lot brighter. It's more like the silver. This is more gunmetal, but I do want to show you that the buckle, because I think that is super cute. And see, my husband's not a big flashy kind of guy. You know, I try to convince him sometimes to buy some of the designer. You know, he does have, you know, a bag, and he's got this belt, but he's not a big into designer. But I think it's super cute. So I do want to show you that. The buckle I think is super nice. This is what the belt looks like. Super cute. And it looks like it does have like it has 5 holes here. So, and I know some people sometimes will say if the belt's a little smaller, if you're in between sizes, you couldn't get another hole put in. But I mean, I'm not sure I would do that, but a lot of people do that. The other side of this reversible is just black, which I think is really, really nice. He's always thinking about, you know, he likes to wear, you know, neutral colors, or sometimes he'll wear patterned shirts, so that might look really nice with the black side. As far as switching this out, I'm going to try to do that. I've never actually purchased a reversible belt from Louis Vuitton, so this will be the first time that I'm actually doing this. So I'm going to try to do this. And actually it came out pretty easily. So I took that out. And I guess the only thing you would do if you were going to reverse it is just switch it out this way. And now you have it on the black side. Now, if he wants to wear it, he can wear it this way. And now it's on the black. Super easy. That was super easy. And you know what, I will say that was a lot easier than some of the, if you have a reversible Gucci belt, oh, they're awful in my opinion. I don't really care for them too much. But I'm going to go ahead and put this back the other way, the way it was, so that what I'll do next is I'll have my husband come and just demonstrate, just model this for you guys so that you can see what it looks like on him. And then we will be done. Okay, so you can see this is what the belt looks like on. So you can see that, you know, in my opinion, I think it's a super nice belt. I love the gunmetal here. You can see all the detail here, all the logo here. The nice thing about this belt is that it is reversible. So if you want just to be wearing the black side, you can. This is the actual monogram with the gray, and the other side is just all black. But you can see this is what it looks like from the front. So from the front, you could see what that looks like, and from the side view, you can see, I mean, it has a really nice, you know, look. If you're looking for a belt that's versatile, I think this one's definitely a good option. And the nice thing about it is that the buckle, it's not so loud. I mean, some of the traditional Louis Vuitton belts have the large LV. I mean, here I feel like it's a little more subtle. You know, my husband didn't want anything too loud, so this fits more his personality. But I'll just let him turn around really quick and just show you everything, how it looks. But yeah, I mean, this is it. You know, if you can just do a side view. So I'll have them do another side view there. But yeah, super nice belt. And sorry, I couldn't resist. But well, as usual, thank you so much for visiting my channel. I would love to hear your thoughts about this belt. Is this a belt that you own or a belt that you would buy? I would love to hear from you. So if you have any comments or suggestions or thoughts on this, please share them with me. I love hearing all the feedback from all of you guys. And I do want to thank you all for your support. You know, my goal for this year was to get 1,000 subscribers. That was my goal for 2022. You know, I started this journey about 8 months ago, and my goal was to end the year with 1,000 subscribers. And to my surprise, it looks like I may actually reach that goal much sooner than the end of this year. So thank you so much for always being so supportive and for all the comments and the dialogue. I love hearing from all of you, and I think we can all learn from each other. So I welcome all comments and suggestions, even if they're negative suggestions. I'm all about that. So feel free to comment and leave me some messages. And if you need anything from me, I do have my email attached. You can always reach me that way. But again, thank you so much for visiting, and see you next time.